Debbie Scaggs with the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Office in Pikeville, Kentucky. Today we're going to be making a crunchy fruit and chicken salad. And you want to have 2 cups of chicken, cooked and chopped, 2 apples diced, 1 cup of pineapple chunks, half cup of celery diced, 1/4 cup of either vanilla or plain yogurt, and if you want, you can add nuts. So today, whenever you are doing your apples, make sure that you rinse them before you cut them, but you don't want to rinse them until you are ready to use, you don't want to cut them until you're ready to use them, but make sure you do rinse them, because what's on the outside of your apple, if you don't rinse it, you're going to, when you start cutting it, you're going to take it all the way through to the middle of that apple. So we want to make sure we get that fruit rinsed before we eat it. And if you want, you can add nuts to this. And today I'm going to add some walnuts that have already been roasted and chopped. Doesn't that look appetizing? Let's see how many food groups that we've got from my plate. We have our protein, which is your chicken. We have 2 fruits, your apples and pineapples. We have a vegetable, which is our celery, and we also got dairy from the yogurt. This is really, really tasty. You can add raisins if you want to it. And once you are finished with it, you put it in the refrigerator to chill for an hour, and then it's ready to eat. You guys have a great day.